Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam. In a minute, because in that lecture we're going to focus on the C-axis drilling process. When I am looking at my parameters, we can see that linking parameters selected as an incremental because of my Z position is different. So that's why we should select incremental options here. And then when we turn to actually rotary axis, rotary diameter 70 millimeter. And then we can turn to the simulation options and we're gonna see our process step by step. At that point, maybe it will be better for you to change your steps here, and that's why I can focus on my point options. And then this is arc 3. This is my first step, and then this is actually point 4. This is my second step, and then arc 1, and then point 5 and arc 2 and point 6, and then we can recalculate it, and then we can use the backload simulation again. Okay, as you can see, that's better.